subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. BlitzWolf BW-HL4 Smartwatch features a unique full metal design. It comes with a 1.3 HD full touch display encased in a premium metal case. The watch features multiple dial options with a dynamic UI and also allows for customized watch faces. The smartwatch features Bluetooth calls and call alerts function and supports messages, emails, and social media apps like Facebook, Line, Weibo, WeChat, Snapchat, etc. With an independent playback function, you can download and store your music directly into the smartwatch and play the same via Bluetooth earphones. To monitor your health and fitness, the watch comes with 10 dedicated sports modes, a sleep tracker, calorie counter, pedometer, 24x7 heart rate and blood pressure monitor, etc. With a 300 mAh battery, the watch gives you 5 to 7 days of working time and 20 days of standby on one single charge. Retailing for $60, BlitzWolf BW-HL4 Smartwatch is now available for pre-order, at a heavily discounted price of $45.99 only at Banggood. The deal is applicable on multiple color variants viz., black, gold, and silver. Please note that this super deal is available only on pre-orders of the first 500 pieces, after which the price will increase. So hurry up and place your order. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.